got it in 2014 and I stopped using it because it stopped picking up, even though everything is cleaned out. Filter, top, that one, the bottom filter, and I opened up the thing. There's nothing down there, the hose, everything is clean. So somehow it stopped working and stopped picking up, and so I got a new one 2016 in November 2016. It's June and it started making noise like hell, so I'm gonna first try this one, the sound. This is normal sound, right? Too loud. I don't know what happened with this whole thing. Anyhow, so I got this one. Making noise compared to I'll show you the here too. Clean, filter clean. The other one is clean. I shook everything. Nothing here. No mess anywhere. No mess down there. So something wrong with the sound. This is the model 1331. The older one is 95.